Well, I was waiting
Boaters,
for judges.
start your engines. One minute, 15 seconds to meal time.
Calvin Motley. Jam Racing.
1 minute to meal time. "45 seconds to meal time.
Ron Castro Jr. Dale Roberts.
Good boat coming out of 2, about lane
30
7 or 8.
seconds to
Pick it
meal
up.
time.
Make sure you don't hit it. It'll ruin your day.
15 seconds to meal time.
Almost 30 seconds left.
29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's going to be a good start. Motley put it inside, but didn't quite get him. Steve Lopez, Motley. Fossil following in third. 2 down, Lopez. 2 down. 2 down for Motley. 2 down for Fossil. Here comes Dale. Halfway. Nothing for Fossil. Four down. 4 down Motley. 4 down Fossil. That buoy on Calvin Motley. That moves Dale up into third.
Final lap.
Final lap for Steve. Final lap for Calvin.
Final lap. Final lap.
First place finish, Steve Lopez.
Steve Lopez done.
Second
Final
place,
lap.
Ron
Ron Castro
Fossil.
Jr. done.
Third place,
Yeah,
Dale
that's
Roberts. Fourth place is going to go to Calvin Motley.
Calvin Motley
Cut
done.
the course and ring in.
The race is completed.
Boaters, start your engines.
Richard Festival.
1 minute, 15 seconds to meal time.
Steve Marquis. Shake and Bake Tommy. Richard Romero.
1 minute to meal time. "45 seconds to meal time. "30 seconds to meal time. 15 seconds to mill time.
Thirty, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's going to be a good start. Pet buoy on Tom. What did you say, Jed? Jed, pet buoy? Just wanted to make sure I said I wouldn't overrule anyone. Four down. Four down for Richard. Last lap, Richard Romero.
Final lap. Final lap.
First place finish.
Richard Romero done.
Second place. Richard Romero or Richard Kitagawa. Last
Final
lap
lap.
for Tom. No, you haven't. You were buoy set.
Final lap.
Five. This will be a finish.
Kick and take Tommy done.
There you go. Pete. You can bring it on in, Pete. Oh, cross the line, they said. Makes it better.
All drivers are finished. Pete Marquis done. The race is completed.